What if your next charger didn't just power your devices, but actually talk to you? Baseus just launched a 140-watt GaN charger that shows real-time charging data on a built-in display, and it might be the smartest travel charger of 2025. Meet the Baseus PicoGo AH11, a compact 4-port powerhouse newly released in the US. It's the brand's most advanced GaN charger yet, designed to replace multiple bricks with one intelligent, ultra-efficient solution. With a maximum output of 140 watts, the AH11 can push full speed through a single USB-C port. Fast enough, Baseus says, to charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro M4 to 54% in just 30 minutes. But the magic is in the smart power distribution. Connect multiple devices, and the charger allocates power automatically. For example, 65 watts plus 45 watts plus 12 watts across the USB-C ports, while the USB-A delivers an additional 12 watts. It supports all the major fast charging standards, PD 3.1, PPS, and QC 3.0, meaning phones, tablets, laptops, handheld consoles, earbuds, nearly everything you own can charge at optimal speed. This is a charger built to simplify your entire ecosystem. But here's where the AH11 stands apart: the integrated smart digital display. It doesn't just show wattage, it reveals your estimated time to full charge, real-time temperature, and other useful data. You can adjust screen brightness or rotate the display 90 degrees so the info is always visible on your desk, in a cafe, or on the go. Despite its power, the AH11 is impressively compact. At just 3.07 by 1.42 by 2.36 inches, it's about 19% smaller than most 140-watt chargers on the market. Foldable pins make it travel-ready, and the GaN technology keeps it cooler, lighter, and more efficient. The PicoGo AH11 is now available in the US for $79.99. Shipping begins between mid-December 2025 and mid-January 2026, just in time for anyone looking to streamline their charging setup for the new year. A compact frame, smart power management, fast charging versatility, and a surprisingly useful display, the Baseus PicoGo AH11 isn't just another GaN charger. It's a glimpse at where everyday charging is heading: smarter, faster, and far more intuitive. If you're ready to simplify your tech life with a single charger that can handle everything, this might be the one to watch.